गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं संजय सिंह एसएसटी टीचर ऑफ विष्णु भगवान पब्लिक स्कूल। जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं, हम लोग ज्योग्राफी का फर्स्ट चैप्टर कंटिन्यू किए हैं और प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ लैंड रिसोर्स पढ़े हैं। इन दिस चैप्टर, इन दिस लेक्चर वी विल कंप्लीट द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सॉइल। हम पढ़ेंगे बेटा फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द सॉइल, formation of soil and types of soil and importance of soil. सबसे फर्स्ट formation of soil, as we know that lithosphere part of the earth is formed by the different types of the rocks, and breaking of these rocks into the tiny particles and mixed with organic compounds is considered as a soil formation. There are different agents which are responsible for the soil formation, like sunlight, flowing water, rain, different weathering condition, and microorganism. These are the factors, these are the agents which are important for the formation of the soil. In the effect of these factors, these agents, the breaking of rocks into tiny particles, and when these tiny particles mix with organic compounds like leaves, manures, then there is a formation of the soil. In India, there is different types of the soil. There are 6 types of the soil which are found in India. Types of the soil. Types of the soil. In India, there are 6 types of soil. First, alluvial soil. Second, black soil. Third, red soil, red or yellow soil. Fourth, laterite soil. Fifth, arid soil. Sixth, forest soil. In this way, in India there are 6 types of the soil. First, alluvial soil. Second, black soil. Third, red or yellow soil. Fourth, laterite soil. Fifth, arid soil. And sixth, forest soil. Forest soil is also known as a mountain soil. Now we will study about alluvial soil. Alluvial soil बच्चों, alluvial soil is comparatively new soil other than other soil. Alluvial soil, the soil which has been carried by the rivers from the mountain area and settled in the plain area is known as a alluvial soil. That's why alluvial soil is considered as a new soil. alluvial swell को हम लोग new soil भी कहते हैं because this is the soil which has been carried by the water, by the different rivers, flowing water from the mountain area, hilly area to the plain area, and in plain area it is deposited. There is a large quality of the alluvial soil. Number one, it is most fertile soil. Approx all the types of the crops can be grown in it. Mostly plains of northern India are made up of the alluvial soil. For example, in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, as well as Assam, Bihar and Bengal, alluvial soil are also found. Some part of Rajasthan and Gujarat, it is also found. Alluvial soil is new types of the soil, and it consists a lot of types of the minerals, nutrients, which is useful for the growing of the different types of the crop. On the base of color and age, alluvial soil can be classified in two groups, Khadar and Bangar. Alluvial soil can be classified in two groups, alluvial soil can be classified in two groups, Khadar soil and Bangar soil. Khadar soil is, this is very important question, the difference between these two types of the alluvial soil. This is very important question, that what is the difference between the Khadar and Bangar soil. Khadar, according to age, Khadar soil is comparatively new soil rather than the Bangar soil. And Bangar soil, according to age के बेस पे हम देखें, एज के बेस में तो ये न्यू होती है, और एज के बेस में देखा जाए तो ये कंपैरेटिवली ओल्ड सॉइल होती है, इसकी एज कम होती है, ये अभी हाल ही में सेटल डाउन की गई है, एंड ये बहुत पहले सेटल डाउन कर दी गई थी. तो दिस इज द डिफरेंस ऑन द बेस ऑफ फर्स्ट. दूसरा, ऑन द बेस ऑफ कलर के बेस पे ये लाइट कलर होती है, जबकि ये डार्क कलर होती है. जो हमारी बांगर सॉइल होती है, खादर सॉइल इन कलर इज लाइट इन कलर, while the Bangar soil is in color, is dark in color. On the base of its existence, Khadar soil is found closely to the river, comparatively closely to the river, while Bangar soil is found away from the river side. Next, Khadar soil does not contain any types of the pebble, while the Bangar soil contains different types of the small pebbles. And most of important difference between Khadar and Bangar is Khadar soil is comparatively more fertile than Bangar, and Bangar soil is comparatively less fertile than Khadar. This is the difference between the Khadar and Bangar soil. It is very important. Both soil are the part of the alluvial soil, as we know that most part, especially northern plain of India, is covered by the alluvial soil, because most part of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar and Bengal has been this alluvial soil is present, because this alluvial soil is carried by the Ganga river systems, and has been deposited in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and in Bengal, while in Punjab, Haryana and some part of Rajasthan it is found because of the Indus river systems containing 5 rivers: Indus, Satluj, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum, Beas. By these rivers this soil has been also carried, and it is also found a large part of the Assam, because it has been carried by the Brahmaputra river. In many other parts, some part of South India, it is also found. Now we will study. Now, okay बच्चों, अब हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग ब्लैक सॉइल एंड अदर फॉर्म ऑफ द सॉइल पढ़ेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू।